How to download Geometry Dash on your iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can download Geometry Dash in your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is you will need to open up your App Store. After you open up your App Store, make sure that you're logged in into your Apple account. After you do that, head over to the search bar on the bottom right corner, and there you should see the search bar. Simply type in Geometry Dash. After you type in Geometry Dash, you should find the app right here. Now there are a lot of different games that is Geometry Dash. Just open this up where you whichever you want to actually download. Now there are different versions such as Geometry Dash Meltdown, Geometry Dash World, and Geometry Dash Lite. You can download whichever you want, so search for it, and after you find the one that you want to download, simply just buy it. As you can see right here, the authentic one actually costs about $3.99, so just tap on it and then download it. And with that, you will have downloaded your Geometry Dash on your iPhone. Thanks for watching guys. That is basically all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.